Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about WhatsApp and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.